Good day and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is your boy TP Visuals with another interesting, available and ready to watch YouTube tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I got this image from here to there, from here to there, before, after, before, after. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. But before we start the edit, I would like to delete this layer here so that I can show you how I did it from start. So let's delete this layer. Okay. Now, in order to get that edit, guys, here's what I did. From here, as you can see, we already have our model separated from the background. So what we are going to do, we are going to press Ctrl J on our keyboard to duplicate our model layer. Then we're going to take the model layer and put it on top of the model copy layer. Then you select the layer below model copy. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Then I'm going to press Ctrl T, then press Alt key, then left click and drag it, drag her out like this, commit to save changes. Then I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and then press your direction key. Let me see. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Now, with your layers done like this, you click on the layer mask here of the model copy layer. You click on the layer mask. You choose your brush tool, your normal brush tool. Then you select your opacity. You can set it to 100% opacity. The flow also you can set it to 100%. Now you come back to your foreground and background color. You change it to black on the foreground color, white as the background color. Then with your brush, just increase the brush size. Then you're just going to paint over your layer in order to hide it. You're just going to paint over your layer like this. Paint over your layer like this. Easy guys. You know, they say practice makes perfect, and that's true. Practice makes perfect. So this is the power of layer masking in Photoshop. So from here, I want to blur out the background. So what I'm going to do, we're going to click on the layer itself, not on the layer mask. You're going to click on the layer itself, then go into filter, choose blur, then Gaussian blur. Then as you can see, it has blurred my image, my background, because it was already set on 50% blur. So as you can see, it has blurred it up, and you click OK. So this is how I got the image to look like this as a result. This is your before and then after. Your before, then after. If you like this video, guys, please do comment on my YouTube channel, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any update or new videos that I drop on my channel. So without any further ado, I have to love and leave you for now. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. And by the way, I will link this image in my YouTube description box below so that you can also practice and see the results for yourself. Remember, guys, practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. So I'll see you again on the next one. Then it's bye for now. I ain't gon' say